you are uploading consistently, your thumbnails are looking very sharp, your titles are always on point, but your watch hours still stuck. There is a setting inside your YouTube dashboard that most small creators completely ignore. And when you turn this particular setting that I'm about to share with you on, when you turn it on, it can change everything for your channel. So that is why in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to get your 4,000 watch hour fast, even if you have 0 subscriber right now. So stay with me to the end of this video, because not only will I show you what to turn on, but I will also give you the step-by-step strategies I used to grow from 230 watch hours to 1000 watch hours in just a few weeks. So if this is the kind of video you want to see today on my channel, please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me show you what you are going to turn on. Let's dive into the main video. So why are you not getting these watch hours? I know getting watch hours on YouTube is very hard. That is if you are not strategic with the videos you post on your YouTube. Do you know that most new YouTubers don't have a watch hour problem? Why? Because they have a retention problem. Your viewers are clicking in and clicking out. They are clicking into your video and leaving. And guess what? YouTube will not push a video that people are clicking on, because people are not staying on that video for long, and YouTube seems that that video is not interesting and value packed. So here is what you need to know. YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching. So you can ask it, you can make a research about it for disclaimer. So YouTube always rewards videos that keep people watching. That is what YouTube is meant for. So if your audience retention is below 35%, that is killing your watch hours. Yeah, you need to make a video that can accumulate an audience retention of 35%. Yes, and if you're not creating bingeable content, you are missing out. Okay, so that is why you need to create a bingeable content that people will find interesting, and people are going to stay more on that particular video. But here is where the real shift happens. When you enable this particular one features that I'm about to share you inside your YouTube studio, everything will start stacking in your favor. Trust me. Yes, this particular strategy, like I told you, is the strategy that I've used, and I was able to gain what from 230 watch hour to over to 1000 watch hour. So turn this particular setting and you will see what a lot of views that will also accumulate watch hours for you. So the first thing you are going to turn on is the playlist boost. You need to make sure that every of your video are placed into a playlist. Go to your YouTube studio under the content playlist and start creating strategic playlists based on the topic your audience is already interested in. Yes, this is the setting that both YouTubers, small YouTubers, are using. So if you are just starting out on YouTube and you don't know about this playlist, go and start creating a playlist. If you want me to make a video on how you are going to create your playlist, drop it in the comment section and I will take that into consideration and make a video about how you are going to create a new playlist. So as I'm saying, you need to turn on set as series playlist. Like when you set this particular setting on, it will tell YouTube that this particular video you have in your channel are meant to be watched together. Make sure that all your playlists are in a series and can contain a lot of videos, and that one simple setting can push your videos into section watch time mode, which means YouTube will start recommending the next video from your channel. Yes, for example, I created a playlist called YouTube Growth Hacks 2024 and added 5 of my best performing videos. So you can see it right now and set it as a series. That playlist alone gave me over what 900 what watch hours in 7 in 7 days. No ads, no promo. I didn't do any promotion. I just used this strategic method, and my subscribers are increasing every single day. Okay, so that is why you need to create a playlist, because playlist will help your video to be packed in one word, in one series. And when people click on that playlist, they are going to watch not one, not two, not three of your videos. And I want to tell you this: why naming your playlist, name it to be a keyword word, a keyword title. Okay, once that setting is turned on, here is how to build momentum. Hook your audience in the first 15 seconds of your video. Don't waste time. Don't introduce yourself. Don't start saying, hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, just start with what your video is all about. Okay, make sure you use an open loops, something like, later in this video I'm going to show you how to turn 10 minutes videos into 1000 watch hours. You see, people are going to watch more to that video, so they can know how to turn 10 minutes video into 1000 watch hour. So the next one is, you are going to stack your content. Yes, at every of your video, make sure you are linking the most related video in the series. Like, make sure you are relating another video of yours that is related to that particular video. For example, you can use end screens. Yes, end screen can also help to push that particular word playlist. Okay, make sure you always add a pinned comment. Don't forget never to add what, a pinned comment. Add the playlist link to your about section and video word description. You see, in that way, once you start getting views, people are going to be clicking on that word, on that particular word links. And again, make sure that you are converting your long form video into short. Yes, you can use opus clips. This opus clips now, you can use it. I'm going to make a video about how you are going to use opus clip to get your word 1000 word subscribers. Okay, now if you are still posting short 3 minutes videos hoping they will go viral, it won't help your watch hours much. So this is how you are going to do it. Make sure that whenever you are creating your videos, you start creating 8 to 12 minutes video that answer a full problem, that you talk about the pain point of what your audience is looking for on this YouTube. Make sure you are using storytelling in your video, so that your video can be engaging and can be what, interesting to watch. Example now, by adding screen records to keep people engaged. You know, screen record is kind of helping the videos and helping the audience to be engaged. Okay, now make sure you are using phrases. Okay, this is the exact setting I changed. Like, I did it on my channel, even the location, everything. I'm very intentional about my video upload. I'm very, very intentional. And this time around, I don't just say, hey, let me make video. I'll just be intentional. Know the video that will eventually get me views and watch. So by so doing all these things, these settings, it will build a trust to your community. It will increases your section time and pushes your content up in YouTube's what, upgrading. Like, your content will be in front of YouTube, and your content will be driven, enticing what, enticing the algorithm to push your video more. So most creators give up too early because of this watch hour problem. They expect 4000 watch hour in like 30 days. Like, they are always searching for how to get 4000 watch hour the easy way, the fast method, all those things. But if you are not consistent, if you are not intentional, if you are not using this setting that I just that I just gave to you, I don't know how you are going to get your watch hour, unless you are using live stream like Restream to get your watch hour. And you know that Restream has advantage and disadvantage. So when you treat YouTube like a system, not a guessing game, it will definitely work for you. So stop hoping on trending videos and Be intentional of the video you make on your channel. Focus on keeping people watching, not just getting views. So if you do what I cover in this video by turning on this series playlist, create bingeable content and link your videos properly, 4,000 watch hour is just a matter of time on your channel. That is where we are going to draw the curtain of today's video. If you are serious about getting monetized fast, this is a blueprint. Turn this setting on, build bingeable playlists and give people a reason to stay and watch your video. So if you want my exact playlist structure and how I script my videos to boost watch time, I have linked a free guide below. So hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out the next video where I will show you how to get your first 1,000 subscriber using this particular app that I will be showing you next. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.